History of Tally. More than 3 decades ago, Shyam Sundar Goenka moved out of Kolkata and set up his textile business in Bangalore, which supplied raw material and machinery to textile mills. During the course of his business, he wanted to automate his accounting operations, but found existing accounting software extremely complicated and difficult to use. With a vision to simplify his accounting operations, he suggested his son, Bharat Goenka, to develop an accounting solution which led to the birth of Tally solution in 1986. It began as Putronics Financial Accountant, an accounting software application. The company was incorporated in 1991 and was renamed Tally Solutions in 1999. Journey of Tally Solutions. Tally Solutions was co-founded in 1986 as Putronics Financial Accountant. The company was incorporated in 1991 and was renamed Tally Solutions in 1999. The first version of the accounting software was launched as an MS-DOS application with basic accounting function. In 2006, Tally launched Tally 8.1, a concurrent multilingual version. Further, they upgraded the version as Tally 9 from Tally 8.1. In 2009, the company released Tally.ERP9, a business management solutions. In 2016, Tally Solutions was shortlisted as a GST Suvidha provider to provide interface between the new GST server and taxpayers. In 2017, Tally launched Tally.ERP9 6.0 release as GST compliance software. In 2020, Tally launched latest version of Tally, that is Tally Prime. Financial record keeping. Tally allows businesses to maintain accurate and up-to-date financial records. It helps in recording transactions such as sales, purchases, expenses, and payments in an organized manner. This ensures that all the financial data is properly documented and can be easily accessed when needed. Bookkeeping and accounting. Tally simplifies bookkeeping tasks by automating the process of recording transactions and generating financial statements. It can handle various accounting activities, including ledger management, bank reconciliation, inventory management, payroll processing, and taxation calculations. Tally's accounting capabilities help in maintaining the financial health of a business and ensuring compliance with relevant accounting standards and regulations. Inventory management. Tally's inventory management module allows businesses to track and manage their inventory effectively. It helps in recording stock movements, monitoring stock levels, and generating inventory reports. This feature is particularly beneficial for businesses that deal with physical goods and need to ensure proper stock control and accurate valuation of inventory. Financial analysis and reporting. Tally provides comprehensive reporting features that enable businesses to analyze their financial data and generate meaningful reports. It offers various financial statements such as balance sheets, profit and loss statements, cash flow statements, and trial balances. These reports provide insights into the financial performance and position of a business, aiding in decision making, budgeting, and forecasting. Compliance and taxation. Tally assists businesses in meeting their compliance requirements and simplifies the taxation process. It supports various tax calculations and provides features like GST, Goods and Services Tax, compliance, e-way bill generation, and tax return filing. Tally's built-in tax modules help in ensuring accurate and timely tax compliance, reducing the chances of errors and penalties. Scalability and customization. Tally is known for its scalability, allowing it to accommodate the needs of businesses of different sizes. It can handle the accounting requirements of small businesses as well as large enterprises. Additionally, Tally offers customization options, allowing businesses to tailor the software to their specific needs and workflows.